Hello, everybody. Welcome to my car. It is a Buick LeSabre. It was made actually in 2000, but I didn't buy it until 2003. So, as you can see, the car is quite old. This window does not pull down, and I refuse to pay $300 to move it, to have that fixed because eventually I'm gonna have to get rid of this car. It really doesn't have a whole lot of mileage. You see, when I first moved into this neighborhood, there really wasn't much of anything here. There was no Target, no BJ's, no Costco, no Home Depot, no nothing. I always had to drive out to Queens or Brooklyn or the Bronx in order to pick up those things. Now everything has moved into the neighborhood, so I really don't use the car to go anywhere. Plus, I started walking. Well, needless to say, because of that, my battery died on me, and I failed inspection because they noticed that I didn't really drive it too much. And what happened is, I had my car jump started. They came, they jump started my car, and then I drove it to the auto repair place to have it fixed. When I did that, the battery died again. So that's why they think something is wrong, and they're giving me 10 days to rev up the car. So that's basically what I'm doing. Let me just show you guys something in case you're interested. That's a car on the street making all that noise. I'm not selling my car now, by the way. I'm just interested in, I will be selling it maybe in a few more years, like 2 or 3 years. That's another reason why I don't want to fix the window. But yes, the battery, we couldn't find it. Well, the battery is actually located underneath the back seat. As you can see, you have to lift up the back seat, and you see those screws there. You have to attach the jumper cable to one screw, the red screw and the black screw, and you leave it on for maybe like a good, I don't know, 10 to 20 minutes, and then this baby just starts working. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of like charging up the car since it is old. I've had it for a while, since 2003. I don't want to take any chances. And now that it's the summer and I want to go to a couple of places, I figured let me keep the car, let me do just minor repairs, just enough so that I can go from point A to point B. But yeah, as you can see, it's spacious. It holds 5 people. Sometimes it holds 6 people, depending on how skinny they are. Excuse the appearance of the place. Soft, comfortable. I've driven this to where? Boston, DC, Connecticut, different area, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. So we make a lot of nice little smart trips, short trips with this car. I really don't go long distance. To be honest with you, I still have a fear of driving because New York drivers are crazy and they're super aggressive. Let me also show you the trunk of the car in case you're interested. Again, excuse the appearance of our lot. We know it's a little bit of a jungle. Okay, this is the trunk. The trunk is mad spacious. Mad spacious. But see, honestly, I don't know if I want to buy another car again, because when I first moved, a lot of the stores like Home Depot and everything, they were far away. I had to go to Queens, Brooklyn, the Bronx. But now, everything has moved into my neighborhood where I can walk or it's just a short drive to get there. So I really don't need my car as much as I used to. On top of that, there's a company called Zipcar that's moved right across the street from where I live. So it's like I'm really having somewhat of a decision here as far as whether or not I should buy another car or just rent out my parking space to someone else and use Zipcar whenever I need to move around the city. So anyway, I just want to give you guys a tour, and for those of you who are into travel and you're interested in buying a car, this car would be a nice, good starter car for you. You might, to be honest, many times they say get yourself a smaller car. But the thing is, when you have a smaller car, you can't fit that many people. And then your trunk, sometimes you can't fit as much as you need to in the trunk, especially when you own a home. Sometimes you have to carry stuff from, Home Depot, Lowe's, or some other home improvement store that might be a little bit too big for a small car. So that's one of the reasons why I got this sedan. Anyway, and you can see like most of the cars, there's like very few small cars in our lot. Most of the cars are they're actually SUVs, and some of these people here, they have both an SUV and a small car, which to me is like a waste of money, because it's like, yo, we live in the city. We're 1 block from one train station, 2 blocks from another train station, 4 blocks from another train station. We got buses all over the place. Metro North is not that far from us. So these are the things that we have to think about when it comes to driving around. Now, see, here's the other issue as to whether or not I'm going to get another car, and that's the fact that I got this Easy Pass, and I know I haven't used all of the money on it. I probably got like $50 left. So that's another reason why I'm not going to get rid of it, and I'm just going to keep it. Hopefully I'll have gotten rid of the money, or maybe I could give it to somebody else to put up on their car, and then they can use the Easy Pass so that the money doesn't go to waste, Anyway, so that's my little brief tour of my little dirty car. Check you guys later. Bye.